Hello student, today I am going to explain you chapter number 3 Swastha Vritta Samachara. Swastha Vritta Samachara means observe the regimen for a healthy life. Great poet Kalidas has written in the 5th canto of Kumar Sambhavam that the body is the first means of accomplishing duty. Means if we are healthy, we can do our task easily and properly. This means even if a man has a lot of things with him, but if he has no healthy physique, all these things are useless. It means to say that if a person has a lot of money and lot of wealth, but it is not healthy, and he always become ill and physically weak, then all the wealth is useless for him. So we can say that health is wealth. Man has to make many effort to keep himself healthy. One of them is day-to-day routine. To keep ourselves healthy, we have to follow the day-to-day healthy routine. This healthy routine includes exercise, proper diet, and proper day-to-day routine. If a day-to-day routine is good, health remains good. The age-old learn of Ayurveda and the modern well-known scholar of medical science unanimously agree to this point. Means our Ayurveda and also modern science advised us to follow the day-to-day routine to keep ourselves healthy. Ideal day-to-day routine of a man is presented here in this lesson. Our writer explains us or tells us about the ideal routine, day-to-day routine. This day-to-day routine does not include only the habit of eating and drinking, standing, sitting, walking, sleeping, etc., but the virtues like the company of a good person, respect to our elders, hard working for acquiring knowledge, sticking to the truth, etc. Not only healthy routine but also proper way to behave in our social life, how to speak, how to sleep, how to walk, sit. With all these things, good friendship and hard working to achieve our goal in our life, or respect towards the elders, all these qualities are also necessary for our healthy and good life, which are believed to be the moral ideal of a human life. And every person who want to be a true human should follow this all the rules and regulation of a healthy life. The study of a imperative form used in the lesson and the meaning expressed by them is also expected. So let's start our first slok. Our first slok is Bala Uttishta Sayyatah. That means Uttishta means get up and Shayyata means bed. O child, get up from bed. Swastha Vrittam Samachara, and follow your daily or day-to-day reason. Smaram Jagat Vidhataram. Matlab Jagat Vidhataram means Almighty God, and Smaram means remember. Remember the Almighty God. Tata Suddham Jalam Pibama. Then Suddham means clean, Jalam means water, and Pibam means drink. Then drink the clean water. So the whole translation of our slok is: O child, get up from bed, practice the well behavior conducive to health, remember the creature of world, and then drink the clean water. Our second slok is Shatam Padani Nishkramyam. Shatam means 100 and Padani means step. Nishkramyam means out of home. Sauchartha Gacha Satwaram means go to evocation of a vowels. Phenylene karo krutva. Phenylene means soap and karo means hands. Krutva means do. Suddho vyayama acharam. Suddho means clean and vyayama acharam means do your exercise. So the translation of our slok is: walking a distance of 100 steps after going out of the house, go quickly for evocation of vowels, then washing the hands with soap and do your exercise. Our third slok is Tailam Mardaya Kai. Tailam means oil, Mardayam means massage, Kai means body. Tvam means your. मतलब massage your body with oil. ततः स्नानं समाचार, then go for a bath. यथा विधि जलन एवं वस्त्र स्वयं प्रभायवम. यथा विधि means properly, jalan एवं means wash, vastram means clothes, swayam pradhavaya means own. Then the whole translation of our slok is: massage your body with oil, then go for a bath, wash your own garments in a right manner or a properly. The fourth slok is Purvabhimukham Asinam. Purva means Purvabhimukh means facing the east direction. Asina means sit. Sitting by facing in a east direction. Kuru Sandhya Vidhim Rata. Kuru Sandhya Vidhim. Kuru means do and Sandhya Vidhi means ritual या फिर पूजा पाठ जो भी हम करते हैं वो द रिचुअल सेरेमनीज जिसको हम कहते हैं. तथा वंदस्व पीतरो. वंदस्व मीन्स बो डाउन, पीतरो मीन्स योर पेरेंट्स और योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. नित्यम मीन्स डेली और ऑलवेज. प्रातराशम असान च. प्रातराशन असाम च means morning breakfast. The translation of our slok is: perform the morning ritual sitting facing the east. Always bow down to your parents and then eat your morning meal or a breakfast. Our fifth slok is पाठशाला समम मित्रे गच्छम पाठम तथा पठम. पाठशाला means school. Samam mitre means with the friends. Gacham patham tatha padam means gacham means go. Patham tatha patham मतलब learn. एवं समादिशतम पुत्रम तात पुत्रहिते रत. एवं समादिशतम पुत्रहित means go to school with your friends and learn the lesson. And the father, samadishatam means the father who is always instructed in the welfare of his son. मतलब कि जो हमेशा अपने बच्चों की भलाई के बारे में सोचता है वो. instructed in the welfare of son means putram. Tata means the father and putra hite rata means welfare of a child. The translation of our slok is: go to school with your friends, learn your lesson. The father who was instructed in the welfare of a son instructed him in the way. The sixth slok of our book is त्यज दुर्जन संसर्गम भजम साधु समागमम. त्यज means leave. Durjan sansarg means bad company or a bad people. Bhaja sadhu samagama means do your friendship या make friendship with a good person or good people. Kuru punya mohoratram smaram nama hare sada. Kuru punyam means religious or religious merit. Secure your religious merit मतलब भगवान का नाम लेना चाहिए या अपने हिस्से में पुण्यों को सिक्योर करना चाहिए कि जैसे हम पुण्य अपने आप को पुण्यशाली बनाना चाहिए। दैट में मतलब कि त्यजम दुर्जन संसर्गम भजम साधु समागमम मीन्स गिव अप द एसोसिएशन विद द बैड पीपल और विकेट पीपल और प्रीफर द कंपनी ऑफ गुड पीपल। कुरु पुण्यम महोरात्रम स्मर नाम हरे सदा मीन्स सिक्योर योर रिलीजियस मेरिट विथ। कैसे रिलीजियस मेरिट को हम सिक्योर कर सकते हैं? तो भगवान का नाम लेके। तो नाम हरे सदा में हरे मीन्स गॉड, हमेशा भगवान का नाम लेके। दैट मीन्स सिक्योर रिमेंबर द नेम ऑफ हरि थ्रू आउट द डे एंड नाइट एंड सिक्योर योर रिलीजियस मेरिट। एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू रिमेंबर अवर Almighty God and secure our religious merit. The final translation of our slok is give up the association with the wicked or bad people, prefer the company of good people, remember the name of Hari throughout day and night and secure your religious merit. Our seventh slok is pravicharyo uttaram deyam sahsa na vade kavachita means pravicharyo uttaram deyam means don't answer without thinking. Deyam means give. Sahsa na vade means don't speak thoughtlessly. Kvachita means never. Satrorapi guna grahya doshartyajarta gururopi. Satrorapi guna means accept the good qualities of your evil or leave the evils of your guru. The translation of our slok is answer should be given after thinking well. Never should speak suddenly or thoughtlessly. Good qualities should be accept even of our enemy, and bad quality should be always not always given up, मतलब छोड़ देनी चाहिए, even of our guru or our mentors. The eighth slok of our book is Dhyayam Sanatanam Brahmam Heyam Dukham Anagatam. Dhyayam Sanatanam Brahmam. Sanatanam Brahman means eternal supreme God, and Dhyayam means should be meditated, always be meditated. So always meditate the Almighty God or a supreme power. Heyam Dukham Anagatam. Anagatam means which has not come. And Heyam means should be given up. We should be given up the worry or a worry that is has not come. मतलब जो दुख हमारे पास आए नहीं है उनके बारे में हमें चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए, बिना काम की चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए. कायिक सुखम आदेयम विधेयम जन सेवनम. जन सेवनम means serve the people and कायिक means physical. Sukham adeyam accept the physical happiness and serve the people or by serve the people. The total translation of our slok is internal supreme being should be meditated upon, or always remember the supreme power or eternal powerful God. Give up the thinking about the sorrow that has not come and not worry about the thing which has not come. Accept the physical pleasure and always serve the people.